Hey guys, it's just us. So today we're at the Epcot Flower and Garden Festival.
Again.
But today we're doing something a little bit different. We're gonna be going around and trying all the food at the various food kiosks.
I'm very hungry already. I didn't eat breakfast this morning. I'm
did
prepared for this.
Showcase isn't open until like 11 and we're here at like 9 o'clock. So
we're gonna be a little bit early. We're meeting her family here.
Yay, so you might see my siblings and my mom in the video in the background.
So it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be yummy. We hope. I definitely hope.
I definitely hope so. We're ready for some good eats.
Yes.
So stay tuned to find out what we try and if we like it or not, because I've heard some things are a little iffy.
Choices we have made for the past 30,000 years have been inventing the future one day at a time. And now, it's your turn. Let's have some fun creating the future, shall we?
Yes, please.
On your computer screen, answer a few questions for us. Then we'll show you a new world, custom made just for you. Ready?
Leisure. Just because we did home last time.
Which sounds like
Outer space. I think we have to just because of work.
Yeah. Which type of person are you? I'm a planner.
I'm a planner too.
What do you enjoy more, the journey or the destination?
The journey.
Where would you like to live in the future? City. We already agreed on this last time. When on vacation, what do you worry about the most?
My pet.
Duh. Hero, think about him, so I have to stay safe. Solar power or wind power?
Solar.
We live in Florida, so it makes the most sense.
Well done. Now, along with your answers, let's add in some amazing new technology that we happen to know about.
Okay. Wow.
And now I believe your future is just about ready. Let's take a look, shall we?
Let's look at our faces.
Welcome to the future. Or should I say, your future.
Oh my god, I love it.
It's kind of...
Here in your future,
He freaking buddy eared you.
I see this.
a smart suitcase knows where you're going and what you'll need.
That's a good thing.
Look at our faces. Beautiful.
You don't have to worry about your pets while you're gone, thanks to handy household robots.
I don't want handy household robots. Don't hurt us in the robot uprising.
Ultra-powerful, totally networked family cars that can take you anywhere. You've already planned
Looking ready for my close-up in Vogue.
hotels, check. Restaurants, check. Guided tours, check. Getting there is half the fun, so your family car will be equipped with virtual tools to teach you about the world outside your window.
That's so cool.
You'll travel quickly and safely to places you can't imagine visiting today. And the moment you arrive at your ultimate vacation destination, you're out of work and into the future.
You make it happen, Elon Musk. I believe in you.
The end.
The future.
Of your future.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so we're here at the Honey Bistro. It's one of our stops on the Flower and Garden Festival. They have some food, some drinks. So I got the honey tandoori chicken flatbread, which is white cheddar cheese, charred vegetables, clover, honey sour cream, and micro watercress. And then I also got the non-alcoholic honey peach cobbler freeze for now, because it's still technically morning and day drinking is a thing, but not for me. So I'm gonna try it, see how we like it. It looks good. I'll give it that. It's savory and sweet because that sour cream has a little bit of honey in it. So it's refreshing. This smells very sweet. Definitely, I like it. It tastes like a pie. in liquid form in my mouth.
Yeah.
It's
I'm
amazing.
coming. I was just, while y'all were getting food,
y'all
I was
ready to
taking
try
my
it?
picture.
Yes. Alright, so we got a pork taco. And Stephanie knows how to pronounce it. It's like some sort of bread pudding.
Piccata.
From the Flower Garden cart in Mexico. So I'm gonna try to take a bite of
Which
this.
is called the Jardin de Fiestas.
Take a bite of this pork taco.
Seems very juicy. Is it good?
Spicy, but it's really good.
So I'll like it then, because I like spicy. All right.
I'm getting better.
And the bread pudding, which she says that she normally doesn't like, but maybe this will change her. Must be kind of difficult to actually dig into.
It is a bit difficult.
Just a little bit. There you go.
It's not bad. Not my favorite thing ever, but not bad. I mean, like I said, I don't usually like bread pudding, so not that I kind of like it at all. It means probably it's pretty good.
Alright, so we are in China. We can't tell. We stopped by the Lotus House, which is our Flower and Garden Festival restaurant here. And we got some spicy meatballs with tofu. So I'm not sure if this is supposed to be tofu or meat or both. It said pork.
I think the crispy tofu is the straw things on top.
She might be right. Anyways, so I'm gonna try one. They smell good. It looks tofu-y, but I'm not sure. We'll try it.
Ooh, that is very juicy.
It's a little juicy, but it's good. I don't really think it's spicy though, at least not to me. But it has like this shell around it, which is why it looks like tofu. And the meat's inside. That's why it like exploded. It's good though.
Focus, turn it back the other way. There we go. Awesome. Alright, so we just got our little dish from Germany. Just gonna do one dish here again. Because both the other two things are like potato pancakes, and I'm not super sure about that. This is the
Pretzel
bread. It has like some ham and some cheese, and it's nice and warm. Oh. And I just lost the plate because I'm dumb. All right, here it goes though.
Thank you. Lots of chewing involved in this. It's clearly a workout for the jaw.
I just took too big of a bite, but that's pretty good. I mean, it's not anything like crazy special, but it was definitely good. I liked it.
And this was at the Germany Pavilion once again, which I completely forgot the name of.
I don't remember.
It's Bauerharsch something.
Something
You'll
German
see it in your
sounding,
passport.
sorry.
Don't forget to pick up your passports, guys. Those are important.
Alright, so we just got our little snacks from the Italian Flower and Garden Festival kiosk.
This
We
is
got-
the asparagus frittata.
Yes.
I don't like asparagus,
That's
so
why I'm trying it first. Actually, my mom actually technically got this one. She's being nice and letting us film us trying it. Maybe a little tiny bite so I don't mess up there.
something to note while she's cutting this, the Italian stop is extremely expensive. We wanted the lobster ravioli, but that was $12, which might not sound a lot for Disney. However, most of the snacks we've been trying today are about 5 or 6, so.
This is good. I like it. Tastes like a general like quiche minus the like flaky part. I mean, it's like a frittata, so it's your normal frittata. Nothing really super special, but it's yummy at the very least.
Alright, so she showed you the asparagus frittata. This is the frito misto. It is shrimp with veggies and stuff in it and spicy sauces, and I think it's gonna be good. I like shrimp. I like spicy stuff. Not really big on vegetables, but you know.
You're gonna go with the zucchini first since you don't like vegetables?
Is that over here?
That one's the zucchini.
It's not bad. It definitely has a kick to it. Especially compared to like the spicy meatballs that weren't very spicy. This definitely has spice to it. It's all in the sauce.
Yeah. Please
It's actually
note
good.
that we did in fact spend $8 on that, and then when I tried a few minutes ago, it was in fact $7. So I will, like I did say, it's like we did say, it's Italy's is a bit more pricey than all the others. Alright, so we just got some food from the Smokehouse, which is America's Flower and Garden snack kiosk. This is what we got. It's beautiful. It's the beef brisket, burnt ends, and pork belly slider.
So it has our pickle and chorizo sausage on top.
And then you can literally see the grease in the bottom, so it's going to be probably pretty good barbecue.
And cheddar fondue. That's why I really wanted it, because fondue is good. There's no such thing as a fondant.
Alright, so I'm gonna take the skewer off of the pickle and the sausage.
Yeah, that's fine.
And eat that later. We're just gonna think about the sandwich first.
We also got water because hydration is important.
It is. Alright. This is gonna be a really messy one.
As if I haven't already been messy enough. You take too big of a bite again?
No. The cheese is really good. So that's the thing with the fondant. I will say that I think it's the pulled pork belly part is a little bit maybe dry. The burnt ends are good.
Guys, to focus on.
I think it's the belly. I think it's the pork belly that's probably dry.
Okay.
But
well, it's
not
burnt
like
ends, so I mean dry, burnt.
The brisket is fine. The brisket's the burnt ends. It's the pork belly that's a little dry, I think. Let me see how this sausage is. I'll take half of it to stuffing and I'll have the other half. Pretty good. Pretty basic sausage.
And the pickle. We gotta do the pickle.
Yeah, my mouth is gonna really love me after this. My sensitivity to acidic foods.
You don't have to take a big bite of it, just a little bit.
That's a bread and butter pickle. That's really gross. I hate bread and butter pickles.
Yeah,
you like bread and butter pickles, you like it.
No, I don't. So this entire stand is basically all barbecue everything. We have some pictures of some of the other foods. Oh look, she's gonna try something else.
My brother's letting me have a bite of his pulled pork slider with coleslaw. It's already been kind of decimated. So I have to take a small bite, but we'll see.
It's okay, we got a picture of it before, we're good.
Yeah. Okay. Coleslaw's good. I wish I just having the pulled pork that's dry on both things, but yeah, the coleslaw's really good.
Alright.
Recommendation, the beef brisket part, good. Pulled pork a little dry. It might just be the...
Her other brother now is letting us try some of the hash that they have here.
Alright, so I get a little bit, try to get a little bit of everything in this bite.
What's in it?
It has like, looks like some like red potatoes, some like onions, the burnt ends, and like some sort of sauce.
Cool.
This is my favorite thing. So if you come here, get this one. It's my favorite. Potatoes are nice. Burnt ends are like nice and juicy. They're good.
Alright, so we're here in Japan. We stopped by Hanami, which is the Japanese Flower and Garden Festival food booth. And we got some frushi. That is fruit sushi, so there's pineapple, I think that's a melon of some sort, strawberry, and it's wrapped in coconut rice. We have whipped cream and raspberry drizzle on there. And these are my new chopsticks that I just bought that I'm going to eat my sushi with. Scarlett does not like coconut.
But it's gonna try it too, but she's nervous.
Yeah, so we're gonna see how that goes. Here, dip it in the, drops it in whipped cream instead.
So to big a bite, friend?
To be fair, you have to.
I mean, you just let it fall apart if you wanted to.
Very sweet, but not like too sweet. Definitely have a lot of fruity flavor in there. The coconut rice to me doesn't taste like anything, but like there's a little bit of coconut flavor to it, but not like any texture. It feels like regular rice, and the whipped cream is really refreshing. So 10 out of 10 on my part.
Alright, so we just got something from the Morocco Pavilion's Flower and Garden Festival booth, which was called Taste of Marrakesh. We have the Hassami chicken kebab, a little bit like some sort of sauce, and then some vegetable couscous, which I freaking love couscous, so I'm very excited for that part of this dish. I think first we're gonna go for some chicken. If I can pull it off the kebab, put it into whatever the sauce is. It's a mystery. Let's go. You know how to describe the sauce. Hold on. The sauce is really good. It's cold. It's like a cold sauce. It kind of complements like the warmth of the chicken nicely. It's like a little bit spicy. I don't really know. I didn't look to see what kind of sauce it was before I got it. Go figure. I'm great at this. But I really like the sauce. And the couscous. I don't like dates. Couscous is good. It's a cold couscous, like a couscous salad. It's not bad though. It's not my favorite, but it's not bad. And then my familia also got the fried cauliflower.
That one is spicy.
I'm gonna take that, dip it in the ranch, because ranch makes everything good. Tastes the tiny piece tastes by itself too. No, it's something got a kick. That's really good. Cauliflower tastes really nice in there. Nice crispy breading. I honestly really like that.
Alright, so I got from the Florida Pavilion.
Florida Fresh kiosk.
It is a sparkling key lime wine. You're gonna see how that goes. I'm not a big wine person at all. If I could taste alcohol, it's probably not going to be something I like, but I thought I would give it a shot. It already, like, just from the smell of it, it smells dry.
It's a white wine,
Definitely
so.
get like the tart, almost like when you take citrus zest. It smells like that. A little bit of the after smell. So we're gonna see how it is. Might not like it. Still gonna drink it. It was $11. I'm not wasting that. It's actually not bad at all. It's still a little bit dry, but it's more of that fruity flavor rather than chalk, which is how I describe most other drinks. So it's pretty good, especially if you're not really into alcohol taste.
Alright, so my family got the shrimp and grits. There's only 3 shrimps and there's 4 of us, so I'm going to let them try the actual shrimps since they're the ones who paid for it. But I am going to take a bite of some of the corn and the grits with the sauce. It looks really good. And then I might see if we can film one of them describing the shrimp. So here goes. I really like the corn with the grits. That's a really good flavor combination. The sauce is really good with it too. I'll sort of take another bite before they take it away from me.
Chewing very thoughtfully.
It's spicy.
Spicy. Is it tough? Is it
Chewy.
chewy?
Shrimp's supposed to be like shrimp
So like a good chewy, not like
chewy. Because I got some of the grits with it on it. It was actually really good with the grits also.
Alright, so we got some food from Fleur de Lis, which is the French Flower and Garden Festival kiosk. We got some fun fact, I'm not going to try to pronounce the foods. We got some duck food.
Gnocchi.
That. I'm going to try to get a piece of gnocchi and duck. Really good. It was like a really nice thick ground gravy. The duck is very, very tender. It was definitely was really, really flavorful. A lot of different little flavors going on. The gnocchi adds like a nice little hint. Really enjoyed that. And then the famed chocolate macaron. I've heard a lot of people talk about this. That's why I kind of was like, broke the no dessert rule that we kind of created for ourselves.
I don't think I've ever had a macaron before, so this is gonna be interesting.
Yeah. So, did you go ahead and get should I bite it or should I cut it?
Bite it.
Okay.
Never have it. You don't like it? Steven.
We're eating donuts. Yeah.
These little circles are like nice and like little crispy. I don't know what you would call them. They're like little crispy things. And then the cookie part is very nice crispy outside and like it's really soft on the inside, just like exactly how macaron's supposed to be. And like the chocolate mousse on the inside is very chocolatey. Like I'm not a huge chocolate person.
No,
There's so
she
many other
isn't. I am the
flavors going
chocolate
on in
person.
this. There's so many other flavors going on in this that I can actually eat it. It's really good.
Alright guys, so we're here in the UK Pavilion and we stopped by Cider House, which is our Flower and Garden Festival food stop here. And we got us some corned beef. It's actually pear cider brined shredded corned beef. You know, so you gotta be specific here. We also stopped and got this drink here, which I'm not gonna pick up because I will spill it with one hand. It is a blood orange cider that's actually made in Port Canaveral instead of the UK, but it's from where we live area, so I feel like I needed to. And then this is the
Lemon scone.
yeah, freshly baked lemon scone. We're gonna start with the corned beef. I love corned beef. Corned beef is my favorite thing. One of my favorite things. It would be even better if there was cabbage here. I think this is sauerkraut. I should probably not get too much of that. I'm not a big fan of sauerkraut. Oh look, cabbage. What do you know? Can't have corned beef without cabbage. Oh my God. You can definitely taste the pear in this. Like, there's no two ways about it. That has some citrus in it. I expected it to be a little bit, I don't want to say creamy, but like juicier, I guess. Not as dry. It's a little bit dry. But it's still very good.
9 out of 10. Would come again.
Okay, are you gonna try the other two things, Stephanie?
I probably should, you know. Alright, I'm gonna try this, which smells nothing like alcohol at all, unlike that one. It smells completely like oranges. Like so many oranges. All of the oranges have been put into this one drink that I'm about to drink, all of the oranges in Florida. Hopefully it tastes that way too. That's really good. It's really light. Like, even the wine was heavier than this. This is like someone took the density of apple juice, how it's not so concentrated, but with an orange flavor. So it's not like orange juice is always like really thick. It's light like apple juice, but it tastes like oranges. And I like it. I'm glad that she made me get this.
I did. I really did make her get that.
Yeah, she guilt tripped me into it because it's from where we are. And it was cheap. It was only like $4, so I guess I can't really complain. And then I'll try a little bit of the scone.
It's my mom's, so we don't need to take too much.
Tries to get a little corner. Some of that, get some cream. There you go. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's good. It's very sweet, flaky, and buttery, and lemony, and scony. It's perfect.